Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to start my Django medical store management system. So in this tutorial, I am using front end using React and back end using Django with MySQL. So this is my project introduction. Let's get started. So here is my project overview. What I am using this project. So I am using React.js with Django plus MySQL. So here are some features of project. In this project, admin can manage all the stocks of medicine, like which product goes expire, and remove the product which is out of stock, and add the medicine which comes in stock. Also generating sales report, like which item goes sales and how much you get profit during sales. Then I will show you how to manage company data, company master data, company medical details. Then I will show you how to add customer management. So you can manage the customer with details, view details, customer phone number, email address, phone number, such things you can see in customer management. And admin login. So here is only one login system, which is admin login, which manages everything in this project. Let's see this module. So you can see there is one module which is admin login, first module. Then admin can add the details of company and manage the company details. Then admin add data of medical stocks which he buy from companies. Then admin manage the medicines, like out of stock medicines which comes new. Then employee management. Then sale management. In this, how much product, how much medicine sell by admin to customer, and generate a bill and add the customer detail. First adding the customer details, then generating the bill of customer. So this comes in customer management. Then storing the customer request of medicines in our customer request table. So when user requests a medicine, I will show in our customer request table. Then I will generate a sales report. So it will show how much product we sell and how much we are in profit and how much we are lost in a week, month or year. So this comes in sales report. Then let's see database design. So first come company. So here are the company fields which I will use in our table, which is company ID, then company name, then company license number, then company address, then company contact number, then email, then description, and added on. So these are the fields of company. Now company bank detail. So in company bank detail, I will add company ID, company bank account number, company IFC, company bank ID. So I will store this information in company bank. Then I will get company account, which I add field company ID, company name, company transaction type, company amount, company transaction date, payment mode. Now in company account, I will store all the company data, like how much we take item from company, how much we are in due from company, and how much we paid the amount to company. So it will record all credit and debit management of company to our store. Then comes medicine. So it contains fields like ID, medical ID, medicine name, medicine type, buy price, sale price, CGST, SGST. Then come batch number, then shelf number, where medicine is stored, which comes in shelf number, expiry date, manufacture date, company ID, description, in stock total, how much we are in stock, quantity in strip, means total number of medical in one strip, added on which day I add this product. Then come to medical details. So here come all medicine details like ID, medicine ID, salt name, salt quantity, salt type, added on, and description. So this table is generally used. I am using this for all the salts which comes in medicine. Then I am creating admin login table, which is ID, first name, last name, email, password, last login, and created on. Then I will come to employee table. So So here are the fields are employee table, ID, name, employee, joining date, phone number, address, added on. Then come to employee bank. So here I will show employee bank details, ID, bank account number, IFSC number and customer employee ID. So this is relation between employee bank and employee. Now then I will create an employee salary table. So I will keep a record of all the salary payment of employee in this table. Then come to customer table. So in customer table I store at field of ID, name, address, contact, added on. Then comes to bill. So when adding a customer, I will also create a bill with customer ID, which things he buy with customer ID. Then creating a bill details, which had all the details of which he buy of medicine, like bill ID related to bill table and medical ID related to this medical table. Then adding quantity, then adding added on. Then adding customer request table. In this table, I will store all the medicine record and customer details which customer request for medicine. So I will keep a record in this table with phone number, medical details and everything. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel for more update in this topic of Python Django medical store management system.